Good morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today, we will learn about letter S. Say good morning to letter S. Good morning, letter S. This is a capital S and this is a small s. Repeat after me. Capital S, small s. And now, let's make the letter S sound. The sound of letter S is S. 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 Now, we will know some vocab about letter S. S is for, wow, it's a sun. 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 And S is for star. 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 Let's continue. S is for sweets. 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 And S is for socks. 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 Let's revise. S is for sun. Sun. S is for star. Star. S is for sweets. Sweets. S is for socks. Socks. S, sun. S, star. S, sweets. S, socks. Here is the tip for you. The sun gives us light and heat. Light and heat. Okay, thank you. See you later.